right here. How about pulling up with that lamb thing? What's up, YouTube, man? We back with another. Y'all already know how we coming, man. We coming hard after the incident with Kid. And don't think because he crippled, he can't drive. My nigga whipping, bro. You know what I'm saying? He whipping. He whipping, bro. You know what I'm saying? Stop playing with him. Messed up leg. And he be pushing on the gas and the pedal with the same leg he got hit in.
I still can drive. I'm crippled.
Damn, boy. I don't see how you do it. I would have been knocked out. What you talking about? So, nah, but the lead event today, man, it's the Slim Thug event, bro. So we right around the corner, bro. We have to stop, use the restroom and stuff. So we about to go around the corner and get lit. You know what I'm saying? See all the cars. We getting lit, jet. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know how it go. Nah, let me start trying to ride.
How it go. Coming with the scope. Yeah. The style I'm coming with, straight up off the dome. I don't know what I'm saying, but I promise it's fire. Like this restaurant we at, you gotta go fire. No, let me stop playing with y'all.
Hey, now, oh yeah, check my.
Hey, yeah, we are on Washington Avenue. Y'all don't know, it's downtown. Shell Shack, my guy.
So we at the
Shell Shack, my guy.
We at the Shell Shack. Nah, this not Bombshell.
Why
Shell Shack.
He just said Shell Shack. Why would you say Bombshell? Dropping bombs on your ass.
So back to what I was saying, man. So we was pulling in, and yeah, he was like, oh shit, they go Slim Thug the car. I'm like, bro, you lying? That nigga ain't here, but I ain't gonna lie, no cap. He here, bro. His car right here in front of me. So he's somewhere walking around. Y'all know he got, you know what I'm saying? You know how he kind of tall guy, so he need that big boy right there. You know what I'm saying? Kid, y'all see Kid moving fast as hell on the crutches. You know what I'm saying?
That's the Cadillac. Y'all know about the new Cadillacs.
Yo, 713-832-83004. Ugly, not for real, no cap. What's up? You know what I'm saying? Everybody working, everybody vlogging, for real.
You got a chip too?
Yeah.
I vlog too. I'm from Atlanta. I just came down for the weekend to catch y'all.
For real,
catch y'all shit.
For sure.
We trying to move around though. Atlanta.
Yeah, that's the city. Yeah. Shit, no, it's lit here. What is it? What's the name?
Jay's Uncut Life.
Spell it out.
JAYS. Uncut Life with 2 E's. I see what it is, man.
That's you right there?
Yeah, for sure. Hey, shit, fuck with it, bro. Hey,
here go my shit.
For real. Hey, look, hey, follow us on the Instagram and everything. We gotta collab with some shit for real, bro.
For sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do both. What's your own?
Kid, KID, N-O, K-U-D-I. Right now I ain't really posting me on Thursday on the same time.
That's what's up, shit. As long as y'all there grinding, bro. What's your IG?
YouTube world.
That's real.
Oh yeah, definitely got support each other.
Hey, y'all want to shout that stuff out, man?
Oh man, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and follow me, man. Order came all the way from Atlanta, man. 12-hour drive, Odads Brando. OHTHATSBRAND.
He say move out the way, man.
Follow your boy Dre ATV, man. Hey, I ain't gonna cap. I got the hardest car scene, hardest content. Y'all follow your boy.
For sure.
It's different.
So we about to walk across the street. You know what I'm saying? Everybody working.
Hey,
YouTube world.
I did good. I told y'all I did. I was like, bro, this event gonna be lit. I said it. I told them. Oh, you did anything to do with the bike? I love that helmet.
Man. So last time we came here, like, look at the nigga that was on crutches, you know what I'm saying? He was like he bold, and it was like last time, but this time it's like, damn, now he on the crutches, it's like, damn, now look at me. But nah, hey, y'all see, let's walk down this way. Nah, no cap, y'all see what he do. Y'all see what it do. Everybody got to keep up.
Go everywhere.
I say, hey, look, Jay. I'm like, why you with me? I'm looking single. I am single. Why you with your nigga?
Hey, time shit. Double R.
Right here. Double right here. Y'all see. Y'all know who the fuck he is. Right here.
I know, I'm already knowing. Got Thugger right here.
You know who's from Thugger?
I know who Thugger is, though. No, you just worrying about it too much. No cap. Let me get some of these cars and shit too. Some of these cars. Hey, this whole cool though. Hey, hog lighting. Huh?
Want a picture?
With him? My boy trying to get a picture with the Thugger man, so Thugger boy, see Thugger. We already know we going lit. Hey, this dog fight big as hell though. You know what I'm saying? Motherfucker bite me, that's a round. Whole dinner for this boy. Big boy. Boy, kid all over there. I might go over there for some kid. I already know what it is. Back to the cars, you know what I'm saying? Shit, he moving fast as hell. I'll check this out though. My camera's good. Where the guy?
You got that picture. Oh yeah, 40, you know what I'm saying? I already know. Stop playing. He got the big boy in that thing. What'd he say? Yes, sir. Custom, Rushi Ford. My boy said he don't pull it out, so he had to put the plastic on the seat for today. For real. We getting all the cars, bro. I know some more cars on the other side too, though. But y'all know what it is, bro. Don't nobody do it better than H-Time, you feel me? We lit. Say, got anything to say to the OTSG, man? Hey, look, from now on, everybody who's supporting, all the fans or whatever you want to call yourself, you know what I'm saying? We not the fucking GOAT. We gonna leave that to the fucking people. So from now on,
It's OTS gang. Only the Savages. And you see the shirt. See the fit. So only the Savages on this channel. So you know what I'm saying? Y'all already know what it is. Kid.
Man, follow me on all social platforms. Kid No Cutty. Straight like that, no spaces, no in-betweens, no ifs, ands, buts. I'm on crutches, but I'm still good. I'm still here, I'm still driving, I'm still living, I'm still breathing. I got a purpose. And with this right here, we gonna blow. For those that don't support or don't watch videos or watch halfway through, oh well. It's okay, we're gonna have people like that. But we like that though, because you know why? That negativity, we turn to positivity. We turn that negative to a fuel and we burn it and we keep going. So thank you. I had somebody tell me I'm 29, I ain't gonna be shit. I'm 29, I'm doing YouTube or this, and that. I don't care what people say. Because at the end of the day, I'm gonna live my life and I'm gonna do what I gotta do. Even if I feel like y'all don't want me to make it. There's other people around you that don't want you to make it. Remember that. It's always people around you that don't want you to make it. So keep chasing your dreams. Even if you feel like it ain't going nowhere, keep going, keep chasing. There's no age to do what you wanna do. There's no limit.
So we got the G-Wagon. Yeah, I'm gonna do a full walk around. Do a full walk around this car. Okay, y'all see what the fuck. They got all type of dogs here. Red dog. G-Wagon. I don't know what it is. Kid. Come on, let's go walk your way. Bro, look, bro, they got the Tesla, bro, freak that. With the stripes on it. Y'all see the big block. Big block ain't gonna never get old. It could be old, but it ain't gonna never get old. You hear what I'm saying? I got the El Camino. Tell me that boy don't look like one of them, I forgot what that boy upgraded. He put, that boy put a truck motor in there. That's for a Chevy, huh? Yeah, this Chevy El Camino, bro, huh? Yup, still can fit. That boy got the gauge on that boy too. Stop playing with him. We doing this. 454 horsepower. Y'all heard him. With the 26s on the 4G autos. Stop playing. Bro, these niggas got money, bro. Okay, we gonna have to. Hellcat. Oh, that's Brando. Go follow that boy. Y'all already know what's up. Everybody working, everybody grinding. But I swear to God, that shit almost look like Box Chevy. But they ain't no Box Chevy, man. That boy Lada got that boy on 4Gs. Some more on 4Gs. Bro, that boy got the drop. Only H-Town do this. What drop car y'all seen that got Infinity? It's a sports car with the 3.0 turbo on some slab. Boy, y'all boy tripped out. That's live now. I like that.
Tells a jerk on.
Yo, I like that.
If it's not, then I don't know.
Trying to say back to the car for a bit. Yeah, I know. Kinda like the deal, you already know what's going on. That boy got the switch, man. Oh, man, call out work. I guess that's the end for this video. We ain't gonna take too long. About pulling up with that lamb thing. Got the 12 here, so it's a legit 12 here. Fully, why you walking that way, Vic? Oh, big boy. Big boy. Y'all see us in. I'm talking about H-Town with the Hellcats. 392. I already know what to do. Yeah. So man, we walking back to the car. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I don't know. I'm all in their business, but nah, we walking back to the car. You know what I'm saying? Kid, my boy right here. H-Time. You already know what it do. Yes, sir. Oh, they took the reverse off the car. Push, push, push. Ugly. They took the reverse off the car. It's not good. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see what it do. But we out, YouTube. That's it for the day on today's content.